Okay, in this video I'm going to teach you how to calculate the distance using the speed, distance, time triangle. So as I said before in the speed video, normally when I'm using this triangle I would cover the one I'm trying to find with my finger to see what I've got to do with what I have left. In this video, as I said, we're going to be looking at distance. So instead of covering it with my finger, because you can't see that, I'm just going to put a cross through it just now. So as we can see, we're left with our speed and time. And in this case, they are next to each other instead of being one above the other. So when we're calculating distance, instead of dividing like we have done in the previous videos, we are going to be multiplying because the speed and the time are next to each other. My problem on exercise 14D is to find the distance travelled when the speed is 20 miles per hour and the time is 4 hours. Now, because we know from the speed that they were travelling 20 miles per hour, we know that the person was travelling, measuring their distance in miles. So, we know our speed and we know our time. So now we need to multiply these together. So my distance is my speed, 20, multiplied by my time, which is 4. 20 times 4 is 80. And as we said before, we're measuring in miles per hour. So that means we're measuring our distance in miles. So in this case, our person travelled 80 miles in total. Now in this example, 1C, my person has travelled at a speed of 8 meters per second, and it took them 6 seconds to do so. Okay, because our speed is measured in meters per second, we know that our person is travelling in meters. So again, if we have a look to find the distance, we need to do speed multiplied by time. My speed is 8 miles per hour, sorry. My time is 6 seconds. 8 multiplied by 6 is 48. So we know that my person has travelled 48 meters in 6 seconds. And that would be your final answer. Make sure to include your units. So is it meters per second? Is it seconds? Is it miles? You might also see this notation. That just means kilometers per hour. So if you're asked a question that involves this, then you know they're measuring in kilometers. Okay? Good luck.